Alright, here's your video here. Been trying to mess around with it, see if I can get it to work. Definitely have it on. It's sitting back there. Your trigger's here. Yeah, definitely ready to go. Alright. Okay, here we go. Here's your remote. Definitely works. I'm not really getting anything. Turn around. Let's see the mechanism in there. Going at it. And then like, alright, what does it take to get this thing to go? You have to I mean, it's not even light, it's just you really gotta, there we go. Really gotta get down there and get it. There we go, so it locks down just fine, just wireless remote is not strong enough to get the job done. So there you go.